At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. Having a personal health record within reach can be particularly practical, especially for patients with multiple specialist providers, complicated health conditions, the aging population, or those with impairments that prevent them from managing their medical records. While a medical record is the full, comprehensive document comprising a patient's personal health information, past medical treatments, progress notes, test results, and all their other medical encounters, a personal health record, or PHR, is a tool for patients to manage their own medical documentation and record details relating to their past medical care. This may include their current medical conditions, medication schedules, and any important contact details, as well as emergency contacts to ensure this information is accessible in case of emergency situations. It's simple to get started using this personal health record template at our Carepatron library. The first step is to download the personal health record template. You can download the free PDF version using the link in the description below, or alternatively access this template and many others from within the Carepatron app. Provide it to your patient. The next step is to provide a copy of this template to your patient or their guardian/representative. This may be either digital, or you can print it out and provide them with a paper copy. For elderly patients or those with impairments that prevent them from being able to manage their own health information, you should provide the template to the patient's caregiver. Assist your patient in filling out the template. If necessary, offer to fill in any parts of the personal health record that relate to you, such as your name and designation as a healthcare practitioner. For some patients, you can simply provide them with the template and perhaps highlight a few of the different sections that would apply to them. Store the record in a platform like Carepatron to maintain HIPAA compliance. Here is a sample of our patient health record template to give you an idea of how you would use it in your practice. To discover more of our free templates, explore our templates library, which you can find on our Carepatron website linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features. Signing up is free. Just click on the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button for more content like this.